Welcome back to Hollywood Consulting. Today we will discuss the top 5 design trends utilizing Canva for 2024. If you like what we're doing, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive into our first trend, motion collage. The allure of motion captivates the beholder like no other. Representing the epitome of captivating charm, motion collage art takes cues from the intricacies of Zion culture, meticulously assembles scrapbooks and visual mosaics to construct intricate and dynamic visual realms. This sophisticated fusion of creativity is set to adorn screens across various platforms, captivating audiences with its mesmerizing essence. Okay, and here's a screen report of how you can access motion collage templates on Canva. You simply go to templates and type in motion collage and choose whichever motion collage best fits you. The whole point of the motion collage is motion, so that means that you can put all of your elements together, make it beautiful, make it bright, but be sure to go in and use the animate options and choose whichever animation you would like to create your motion collage. Again, this is just a preview, a screen record, so you can see yourself where to access the motion collages in Canva. So here you can just look at how this looks and take it from there. Okay, so now we're over to trend number 2, which is flow and form. Okay, flow and form is about when organic meets geometric. So with flow and form, you're going to be using a lot of geometric shapes. The enchanting interplay between flow and form intertwines in a captivating dance of shapes and curves. This delightful fusion encapsulates simplicity, emotion, and abstract allure, exuding a stylish and dynamic ambiance. Immerse yourself in this realm featuring whimsical blob art, fluid contours, and vibrant brands designed to captivate hearts and inspire transformative experiences. Okay, so here is flow and form templates in Canva. You simply type in flow and form in the template section, and then you'll discover a whole bunch of templates that give off the flow and form design. As you can see, a lot of them have geometric shapes, as mentioned, very abstract colors, it pops. You just choose whichever one works for you and you do what you have to do. This is just a screen recording for you to see what they look like, how the elements look. Now, trend number 3 is surrealism. We are diving into a whole new world. Prepare for an extraordinary experience as surrealism makes a resounding return. Drawing inspiration from the avant-garde art movement of the 20th century, anticipate encountering artistry that transcends reality. Featuring ethereal designs and thought-provoking associations that challenge conventional perceptions, bid farewell to mundane and welcome a realm teeming with surreal marvels. Here we go again at the Canva dashboard. You simply go to templates, type in the search bar surrealism, and a whole bunch of templates will populate with various surreal artwork here. A lot of it is really great stuff. You can use it, you can remix it and do what you want. The whole point of surrealism is to be out of this world, out of the norm, avant-garde. This is where you show some very intricate art skills, things that pop, colorful, movement, all that and the above. You can use Canva to the best of your ability and create your own surreal project here. This is just a screen record to show you what it looks like. Again, you do your due diligence and do what you must to get the results that you need. And here we are at trend number 4, pixelation. Think of video games, Super Mario to be specific. In the realm where art and technology intertwine, pixelation emerges as a harmonious blend of precision and whimsy. This enchanting design movement pays homage to the bygone era of 8-bit video games and digital animations, evoking a sense of familiarity and wistful reminiscence. Embracing grids, bold pixelated fonts, and intricate pixel art. Pixelation crafts a tapestry that resonates with nostalgia and charm. Okay, here is a screen recording of my Canva dashboard, and we're simply going to go to templates again and type in pixelation. There you will have a populated array of templates that gives off pixelation bits. So you can choose whichever one best fits you, and always remember to do what you need to do that best fits your brand or whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. But there's so many tools that Canva offers, and pixelation is one of them, which I think is very cool, especially if you're a gamer and you're into all of that, or if you want to just go back down memory lane. Okay, and last but not least, we have trend number 5, which is bold rebrand. What is last trend? It's simple, just be bold. In 2024, bold branding is making a resurgence. Think of vibrant fluorescent color palettes coupled with rounded sans serif fonts. Enterprises seeking to evoke a sense of generational shift will embrace this trend to convey positivity, enjoyment, and hope. While bold decisions may appear daring, the potential significant rewards make them a worthwhile consideration. Now here we are back at Canva. We're on a dashboard, and you simply go into template and type in bold rebrand in the search bar, and there you will have a populated abundance of different templates that shows you different variations of bold rebrand. As you can see, they're very colorful, they pop out, and it's eye-catching. So you can just look through and scroll through all the templates and choose which one best suits you. Now this concludes our video for today. Be sure to check out HWC Empowers Her digital courses available for $20. To learn more, you can scan the QR code right here. As always, we would like to thank you for tuning in to Hollywood Consulting. Please be sure to connect with us on all social media platforms listed above if you have not done so already, and like, share, and subscribe.